Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your security guard business. As a security guard provider, you got many queries from your clients regarding the guard deployment request, incident reports and customer support. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your clients send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your security guard business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of security guard service, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Security Services. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is guard deployment, report an incident and contact us. If I'll click on guard deployment, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that please share address for deployment. Here I am providing them one test address. Here I provided. After that, you can see it will ask me to choose a time slot while providing me 3 different times, that is 8 AM to 2 PM, 2 PM to 8 PM, 8 PM to 2 AM. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will ask me for the preferred date for booking. Here I am providing them one date. Here I provided. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you for sharing your details with us. We will confirm your request shortly. Now if I'll click on contact us, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me all the contact details of this Pabbly Security Services. If I'll click on report an incident, then you can see it will ask me to provide a brief description of incident. Here I provided one description. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you for the details. Our security team has been notified and will respond promptly. If it's urgent, then please contact us immediately. While providing me one button, contact us. So basically this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your clients instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your security guard businesses. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our security guard business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account. Now I want to write one welcome message for my client. For that I am taking one text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing one welcome message for my clients in this enter message box. Here I write it. While at the end of this you can see I'll ask my client that how can I help you today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as guard deployment. The second button I'll write is report an incident, and the third button I'll write is contact us. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my client. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my clients wants to book an guard deployment in my security guard services, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this action option and take in one button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and ask one question to my clients that please share your address for deployment. Then I'll select the contact custom field as address. I already created this contact custom field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The format I'll select is text. Number of attempt will be 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your clients, then you can write in this box. I'm not writing, so I'm leaving this blank. After that I'll connect the circle which are present in front of guard deployment to the message message I write it here. It is connected. Now when my clients will provide me their address, then my bot will ask them to select the preferred time slot. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message. Here I write it. You can see I write this choose time slot in this asterisk symbol, because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my clients in the bold format. Now I am providing them some time slots by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write first time as 8 am to 2 pm. The second time I'll write as 2 pm to 8 am, and the third time I'll write as 8 pm to 2 am. Here I write it. After that, if my client will select any of these time slot, then my bot will ask them to provide a preferred date for booking. For that, I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing the question that please provide a preferred date for booking. Here I write it. Now in the select contact custom field, I'll select as date and the format I'll select as date. Number of attempt will be 1, and you can also write any message in this enter message box. Now I am connecting this time slot circle to this message by clicking on this to this to this and this circle to this. The response would be the same because at first we want to know the booking date. After that, when my clients will provide me the date of booking, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. After that, the second one is the report an incident. If my clients is facing some incident, then they want to share their report, so that they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am again taking one ask question button. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question that please provide the brief description of the incident. Here I write it. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as description and the format I'll select as text. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of report an incident to the message I write it here. It is connected. Now when my clients will provide me the brief description of the incident that they were faced, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. Thank you for the details. Our security team has been notified and will respond promptly. While at the end of this, I'll told that if it's urgent, please contact us immediately. So for that, here also I am providing them one contact us button by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my button. Here I write it. Now the third one is the contact us. If my clients wants to directly contact with me, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the contact details of my security guard services. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect this circle also to this message because the contact details will be the same. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of your flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your security guard businesses. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be updated. This bot will instantly respond to your customer like this. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.